Discover the rich culinary heritage of India and the power of plant-forward cuisine. Join us on a journey through India and the plant-forward kitchen. Come explore the storied cuisine of southern India, a region of the world renowned for its spices and its bold and flavorful cooking. Learn how to transform your own cooking with lesser-known ingredients in age-old recipes. From the old city markets of Hyderabad to the serene backwaters of Kerala, delve into the heart of southern Indian cooking. Along the way, you will meet some of the passionate chefs who are leading the charge in plant-based dining and who will show us innovative techniques to elevate your culinary skills. In the kitchen of cooking expert Nimi Paul, learn to prepare delectable dishes like banana blossom thoran, eggplant moli, and okra mapas. The chefs from CGH Earth Discover will share both the secrets of Malabar-style cooking, as well as the traditional techniques passed down through generations, including the proper methods for working with spices, fresh coconut, and curry leaves. Explore the latest creations in plant-forward cooking from high-tech, high-volume kitchens. Learn how chefs at Google's Hyderabad campus are creating satisfying, sustainable meal programs that cater to diverse tastes and dietary needs. Discover how these chefs balance flavor, nutrition, and sustainability in every dish. And learn how the development of culinary skills can empower individuals to make healthier food choices. Uncover ways to incorporate more plant-based options into your daily operations, creating healthy menus that you and your guests will love. Join us on this culinary adventure and discover the endless possibilities of the Indian plant-forward kitchen. From traditional Indian recipes to innovative modern creations, learn about the South Indian flavors that are satisfying discerning palates while contributing to a healthier planet.